All right, in today's video on this old door, we're going to reverse the latch. So I'm going to show you, as you can see in this video here, you can't really close it there. You'd have to, either way it would be backwards. So this is pretty common. So instead of having to go buy a whole new, essentially door assembly, I'm just going to teach you how to reverse the latch, which is actually really easy. All right, so first thing you want to do is I'm pointing to the screw there. You just want to unscrew that screw. There's a hinge in there. You just want to essentially press that out, and boom, that spring pops out there. As you see, just watch, make sure it doesn't, go too far. But, and all you want to do is just literally just turn that over, flip that over, so it's facing the other way. You want to put the spring back in, just like so, and literally that is it. I mean, it's a really easy product, really easy thing to do, and this will save you some money from having to buy a quote unquote left-handed or right-handed. A lot of these are, I know not all of them are, so some may have this feature, but this should obviously save you some time and some money. But you just want to put the cover back on, put the screw back in, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, nothing really too fancy, to this. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna kind of show you how it goes back in the door, kind of same way, right? So now if you remember, right, that was facing the other way. Very simple how it works. So this is, I figured to be a useful video for anyone who has to deal with these. Obviously, these are definitely starting to go out of style. Not many people have these, but the ones who do, this video will help you. And then I was just kind of showing you how you just put the screws back in. So you want to tighten that. You want to put your doorknobs on. Make sure you tighten your doorknobs down, and you're pretty much good to go. So this is a pretty easy video. This should help, especially, help you save money, so you don't have to, order a whole new door, essentially, latch assembly. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Like I said, make sure you tighten those doorknobs, and make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one.